This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Must put those scissors away sometime. Hello there, how are you? Do you know what I've been doing? I have discovered how to make paper spring into life. Literally. Come and have a look at this. Cut 2 long, thin strips of paper, different colours if you like, and then place one of them across the other one, like that. So you've got a sort of L shape, and then just tape those 2 ends into place. Now you have to just do this very carefully. It's quite fiddly to start with. There it is. You've got your L shape. And then fold the bottom piece up and over the other piece, like that. And then this piece up and over the other piece. And then again, the idea is just to keep going, folding the bottom piece up and over like that. And the reason I'm using 2 different colours is, A, it makes it easier for you to see, like this, and B, it actually creates a great effect when you've finished. And just keep going, folding all your paper up and over, and then when you get to the end, like that, if there's any paper left, just trim it off, but that isn't. It's nicely finished off very neatly there, and I'll just tape those last 2 bits together, a bit of tape under and over onto the top, like that, and there you have a paper spring. And if you make one out of cardboard, it's even springier. Look at that. Try that again. And then if you tape a couple of long pieces of paper together and make a very long one, it sort of waggles in the wind. And what do you use them for? Well, they look really good if you stick things on the end of them. Here, I've made a sort of spring card by sticking a cut-out cardboard heart, stuck that onto the spring and stuck the spring onto the card. Or you could try this. Take a piece of coloured card and then with a chunky felt tip pen just draw a hairy body onto your card like that, and then put 2 eyes on the top of your hairy body, just like that, and a mouth, and then draw 8 feet around the edge of your card. And cut everything out, and then stick 2 of the feet onto a paper spring like that, and then stick 4 paper springs onto your hairy body like that, and then some cotton onto the top, and you have a sort of mad mobile which wobbles if you shake it. And if you do make a mad mobile, don't forget to draw on both sides. And if you make a few of them, they make great party decorations. Try it yourself. Handy things, paper springs.
Very handy! Hello, it's me, the head. I don't know why he went to all that bother of cutting 2 long strips of paper, sticking them together in an L shape, and then folding them over one another to make a paper spring. 'Cause look what I've discovered. A much quicker way of making paper spring.